Hey, all you anglers out there. Got a little bit of time left in the day, so I figured I'd go on a quick trout fish and see what I can actually find out here. I'm going to try a few different methods. Maybe a little bit of float if I find some deeper holes around here. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Hopefully get a couple nice fish. Stay tuned. Gonna start out using a little rooster tail. Let's see if I can get anything on that. I think this is like a rainbow trout pattern. A little beat up, but it's caught many fish since I've had it. I'll try that out first and see if we have any luck. This is kind of faster water, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Who knows what'll come up and bite. These trout do like to hang in the slower water, a little easier to stay there, but yet again they're also out in that deeper, swifter water waiting for bait, whatever that might be, coming down straight to them. Hey guys, so I changed up my tactics a little bit here. Decided to switch over, maybe use some bait. So I rigged this up. It's a I got a snap swivel here, a piece of pencil lead, and a barrel swivel to kind of stop it. Sometimes you can throw a bead on there, but this works out pretty good for me, so I'm just running it this way. Quick little setup. Now I got about 2.5 feet of leader down to a spin and glow and a bead, and that is just a little salad shrimp. You can get them any grocery store around. They're pretty common. I'm gonna give that a try. I've heard they work really good. I'm never used them for trout. I've used them for salmon and steelhead, stuff like that. Yeah, there they are. Just some little salad shrimp. I'm gonna try them out, see if they can catch me something. Just bumped down the river, maybe 100 feet from where I was last. This would also be, well, looks like a pretty good spot where I could run a bobber through here. Run a little bobber setup. Not sure if this is too much weight. It's not very much, but I guess time will tell. I know it's drifting down through there pretty fast. I would run a heavier weight, but I'm kind of afraid of getting hung up on the bottom. I really don't want to lose all my rigging after I just set up. Right as I say that, I wrap it around a root. Normally with this setup, I'd run, instead of a piece of salad shrimp, I'd run a little night crawler, not a whole night crawler, probably half or a quarter of a night crawler. But kind of wanted to test something out and see if I had any luck with it. Well, there's a bite. Oh, dang it! Pulled it right out of his mouth. Yeah, that was definitely a fish. My bait is gone. Well, I solved that question. They definitely work. Now I'll get a little bigger one. And that's the cool thing with these sand shrimp, or these salad shrimp, is they were only, oh shoot, I think $8 or $9, but I got a huge bag. I mean, there must have been 200-300 in that bag, and I just brought this small bag with me today, because hell, I didn't need to bring 300 salad shrimp. This is just a spur of the moment. Oh, there he goes. Oh, dang it! Yeah, I missed him again. Maybe I should have brought that big bag. The rate they're stealing them, hell, I'll be out of bait here in no time. I'll try this out again, see if there's any other fish hanging out at the bottom of this little calm spot here. Oh yeah, he just took it, man. Oh, there was no bite about it. He just inhaled that. Feels like a decent fish. Come on up, buddy. Come on. Let's see if I can't get him up. Oh, woo! There he is. Nice. That's a nice little fish. Little native cutthroat. Easy hook. Call them cutthroats. They have that red mark right here under their gill plate. Kind of looks like blood. I think that's why they call them gill plate, or the cutthroat, I mean, sorry. Nice little native. Got his adipose fin still. Alright, you've been out of water long enough, buddy. Wow. Yeah, that is definitely a decent fish. But we're going to throw him back today. You ready, buddy? There he goes. Alright, let's catch a few more of those, guys.